walking into the fab room at the metal shop. The 19.5-foot high-end picture table. Here's our nitrogen generator. Here's our 3-roll bender. Beautiful day outside. Back in the T-Blazer. There's the T-Blazer here. You can see the length of it, 24 feet. Small press brake, larger press brake. See how the material goes from there to there, how it feeds to here to our table. Just a little bit of material here, and we'll finish up here in the CNC room. Here's our welding setup. Here we have our large CNC milling machine. You can see that the table is really large. It's 85 inches. Lots of travel. Star bender here, 1.5 inches. All shops still have older equipment that's still being used. NVX 5100. There's some projects here. You see the screen. Here we have these. Robotic welder. Last but not least, right now, there's a